Mahbays and Hatoums, Assalamu alaikum. Dirilis Ertugrul is taking views by storm, and whilst watching it, I often wondered what the food that is served in the drama, what it would taste like. So I'm creating a new playlist where I am going to be making and cooking foods that are shown in Dirilis Ertugrul and Gurus Osman. So today I am going to start off by making ayran. It is a classic traditional Turkish yogurt drink. It's very easy to make, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, to make ayran is spelled in English as A-Y-R-A-N. So it's very tempting to pronounce it as Ayran, but it's not Ayran, it's pronounced Ayran. Ayran. So, to make our ayran, I'm going to take 1 cup of yogurt and put it into this bowl. And then I'm going to add in salt according to taste. In my case, I'm putting in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to mix that in. Let's put this out of the way. And now what we're going to do is gradually add 2 tablespoons of milk into this mixture and constantly mix it. I think it would probably be easier to pour it, to be honest. See, we're starting to get bubbles here, and that's what we want to do. That's why we are putting the milk into this mixture gradually. I'm splashing everywhere. When all the milk has been poured in, we take a whisk and whisk it. As you can see, it's foaming up nicely. And that's really what you want to do. You want to foam this up. So when you put it into the glass, the foam stays at the top of the glass. It's nice and frothy now, nearly ready to serve. Oh, let's put this into this glass. And then you get some of this froth from the top. It's ready to drink. Let's have a taste, see how it tastes like. Beautiful. Listen, I started buying ayran from the supermarket, and I really got kind of addicted to it, really. And I've made this now. I will not be going to the supermarket to buy ayran. This is absolutely amazing. Even better than what you can buy from the supermarkets. And my Pakistani viewers will kind of understand when I say this. It's like the Pakistani Lassi, the salty Lassi. That sort of taste and that sort of texture, and it's absolutely amazing. I'm sorry about the slurp there, but I couldn't help it. It's so nice. I hope you like this video, and please make this. It's delicious, especially in this long summer humid days. It's a thirst quench. You'll thank me for this. And listen guys, if you like this video, then please share it among your friends, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And just don't forget to click on that bell icon to stay up to date. And until next time, goodbye.